We tried to buy America's most insane supercar, and the dealerships were telling us non-stop you got to pay $100,000 over sticker. So what do you do when you're a hardcore Corvette enthusiast? All right, guys, here we have a C8 Corvette next to a Z06, and today's a quite interesting day because my buddy Mark, right here in front of me, come on in the camera, Mark, come on. This guy, he's been like me.
Hey guys.
He's been trying to get a ZR1, and well, it's been quite...
They want a ridiculous amount of money, $100,000 over. That's 30% more than the average MSRP on a ZR1. The hell with those guys.
So what do you got to do, Mark? When you're a Corvette guy, you've had generations of Corvettes, and you can't get a ZR1.
I know. So I've seen your McLaren so many times. I rode in it, and that got me interested. I'm finally interested in a super sports car because, you know, I'm working with super rock bands. I need a super sports car.
He's got a cool backstory.
But anyway, yeah, my friends are Rush, the super rock group, and they all got fancy cars, DB9s and 12s and all of that. And I got these two Corvettes sitting here. I wanted to upgrade, but the dealership won't make me a deal. What am I going to do? So now we're looking at Ferrari versus McLaren to put in the third garage over here. Since there's nothing in the third garage, I think we'll keep these other two cars and just put one in the other garage.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, and by the way, a purchase is being made. Mark is ready to go. He's tired of waiting. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, everybody, what do you think so far?
This is big. It's big.
Silverado Trail Boss EV.
I love it.
Corvettes versus other cars on the road and exotics.
Well, typically they get no respect, and then they all look the same. So whether you have a ZR1 or you have a regular C8, they just look the same to the average person, unless you know.
That's what I was saying, Eric. When I'm driving down the road in my C8, nobody that's a rookie out there knows what I'm driving. It could be a 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 horsepower car. To them, it's nothing. So I might as well just keep the C8 at 70 grand and put the money where it goes into the McLaren or a Ferrari or something where people are going to give you respect.
Got a few 750s right here. Here's one with a very unique color that I've not quite seen before. 411 for this one. But I think they're going to pull out the GTS because I think it's the first car that Mark wants to try to check out.
That thing sounded badass. This is the Roma, made by Ferrari. This is the other one that we have to decide between this one or the McLaren.
By the way, real quickly, guys, if you are getting a new car similar to Mark right here and you want to get it protected so you don't have to worry about getting rock chips or more when you get it onto the street to enjoy it, give us a call at 760-496-8607 for a state-of-the-art PPF studio here in the beach of Carlsbad, California. I started this place to bring back to our viewers here on the channel, and I can't wait to help you too. So special pricing is available to you guys, and give us a call for a same-day free quote. Link on the screen right now or down below.
Look at this. It's like a lawnmower. What's the matter with this car? It's not like my McLaren. I think we might have made a decision.
Okay, Mark.
No, this is going to be a serious consideration. A lot of money, but you know what? You only live once, and I'm old. You know, this is easy for me to close. I like that. Piece of cake. What a difference. That's it.
How does that feel?
Let's go.
Okay, Mark. First drive in the GTS.
Did you like that little pop? A little pop for pop.
Totally different, right? How does steering feel?
I haven't been able to use it yet. Get me around some corners and we'll figure that one out. And here we go.
So this is a GT supercar. Most GT cars, like the Roma you saw, have a traditional layout. The front engine, elongated, but this is a mid-engine car, carbon tub.
Right.
Different than the Corvette, which doesn't have a carbon tub, but is a mid-engine too. So now you're feeling what a turbocharged, twin-turbo, mid-engine V8 car is like, which would be similar to what the ZR1 would be like, right?
What a difference for me. I've never had a twin-turbo, period, or a flat-plane crank. This is a different element for me now.
So right now you're in normal drive mode, but down here, do you want to go in sport?
Yes.
So you're on sport, handling, suspension's going to stiffen up a little bit, and the engine is going to be in the sport settings.
What did you press to get into the sport?
Right here.
You press that?
Just one button. And you get through the turbos, right? Where it kind of spools up. Yeah, that's turbos.
Never heard a turbo behind me before. I love it. So far, so good. Beautiful, Austin.
You can see San Diego.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's beautiful.
What do you think of all the forged carbon, Eric?
I think the forged carbon is fantastic. I mean, you get to see what it really looks like. The whole body's built like that, right? So you can see it in its natural state.
Is that a McLaren hat?
Yeah.
Oh my God, but you drive a BMW Z4.
I know, but my aspiration is to have one of these in the next 2 years, once my daughter graduates from college.
The GT is it's cool because it's like, look at me, but it's also a tamed, toned down look at me, right?
Well, when you open the doors, it's definitely look at me.
The McLaren's looking better all the time. The Ferrari is out the door. Thanks for teaching me how to shift properly, too.
Isn't this crazy, guys, just thinking about this whole process, because I never would have thought I'd see the day where regular Corvette buyers would be looking at getting the best Corvette ever and telling themselves, hey guys, it's just, I won't be able to do it because this car is so expensive. That would mean the car Mark's getting is less money than this newest Corvette, and it is a brand new McLaren. I mean, that's just a shocker. He was looking at that, and the Romas. At the end of the day, the McLaren seemed like it was the car he wants to get the most, and from what I understand now, he's going through with it. So what is crazy is the thought process of how traditional eras of Corvettes with the ownership, it's changing now. This is what happens when you get into supercar pricing. People are going to now cross-shop supercars. I hope this gives you an idea, an example of the dilemma that many people face. And it was quite interesting hearing Mark's thoughts, as well as everyone else in the car with me, thinking about when you look at exotic vehicles, how things can change over time with a Corvette. Yes, the Corvette looks like an exotic car to me, and I think it can be a supercar. Hearing their opinions, it was fascinating, because I know Eric was saying how no one will be able to know it's a ZR1. That could very well be the case for many people out there. It's important to keep that in mind if that's something that bothers you. I'm going to still try to get the ZR1, guys, but it's quite hard, and honestly, the easier car at this time for me is the GTD, for sure. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think about this reporting? Yes, I'm wearing a McLaren jacket. Hey, it's comfortable. I went to F1 Las Vegas. It was cool seeing them run, but they got disqualified. Can you believe that? They got disqualified. What? That was a bummer, but I think it was like something with their skid plates. It was too low. That's off topic. Let us know your thoughts, guys. Are you cross-shopping something else right now because you can't get the ZR1? Let us know. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. And while you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one.